Basic Appraisal Principles, page 552. Chapter 18, Quiz Answers. Page 553. Chapter 19, Other Types of Analysis. Page 554. Unit 7. Real estate markets, understanding and analyzing. Many types of analysis enter into the process of the appraisal assignment. Some analyses are considered singularly, and some are related or intertwined with other analysis. In this unit, we've discussed the market analysis process and the highest and best use analysis. The following are other types of analysis that the appraiser should be familiar with, along with correlation as to how the forces that create value, demand, utility, scarcity, transferability, are relevant in the analysis. When conducting these analyses, the appraiser might want to consider the following. What data is being addressed in this analysis, and how does it affect the market analysis and highest and best use analysis? How are the factors that create value, dust, demand, utility, scarcity / supply, transferability / effective purchasing power, relevant to this analysis? Economic base analysis. An economic base is defined as the economic activity that allows businesses to generate income from outside the immediate community, as well as inside the community. An economic base analysis is a survey of the business industries and employment for the area. The survey focuses on income levels and population growth. When appraising a property, the appraiser is not likely to conduct an extensive economic base analysis, but the basic premise should be considered. A community is always affected by businesses, whether it is moving into the community, moving out of the community, increasing in size, or downsizing. This is the most prevalent when considering how a small community will be affected when the largest employer in that community closes its doors. The appraiser should consider how the actions of businesses, both in and outside of a community, influence the area's population, jobs, and housing. The consumer's effective purchasing power, which means their ability to purchase goods or services, is directly affected by their ability to gain employment both in and outside of the community. The economic base analysis may provide insight into the effective purchasing power of the buyers in the market that is subject of the analysis. Market study. A market study takes a macroeconomic approach to studying the overall general market conditions rather than a microeconomic approach that would be more specific to a particular property. This study is usually for a general area and includes a general analysis and trending of supply, utility and scarcity, and demand and desire, demographics, price levels, absorption rates, availability of financing, wages in the area, and so on. Page 555. Marketability study. Unlike the market study, the marketability study takes a microeconomic approach to studying the market conditions. In a marketability study, the same data is studied as in a market study. General analysis and trending of supply and demand, demographics, price levels, absorption rates, availability of financing, wages in the area, and so on. However, this data is related specifically to a particular property or to a class of property. The analysis rendered from this study is used in the highest and best use analysis. Investment analysis / study. Investment analysis is the study of the likely return from a proposed investment based on the investor's criteria. The objective of the analysis is to evaluate the risk to the investor, the rate of return, income projections, and even an evaluation of the amount the investor might pay for the investment. As part of the analysis, the appraiser considers such things as demand history, current and future supply estimates, availability of financing, and other market data such as demographics, population trending, and so on. Feasibility analysis / study. A feasibility study is the analysis of an investment to determine whether it will meet the objectives of the investor in a cost-effective manner while producing a profit. It's a determination of whether or not a project will be successful, and it includes a description of how that determination was made. Simply put, a feasibility study answers the questions: is the project worth pursuing? Will the project be profitable? Is there a demand for this project? Again, as with most real estate analysis, the appraiser will likely consider such things as demand history, current and future supply estimates, availability of financing, and other market data such as demographics, population trending, and so on.